In this video, we will offer our own in-markets perspective on ICX future while examining symbol cost gauge for 2020 and then some, which is genuinely huge. Before we dig kind of profound into the symbol value expectation and answer questions on the off chance that ICX is a wise speculation or not, for what reason will ICX succeed or come up short, or while will symbol value rise or drop, we should rapidly really toss a look at what is ICX and its to-date history. The vision of the symbol task is to present the new time of decentralization by reclassifying the importance of networks and making another world by associating such networks, or to place it as would be natural for them. With symbol, we currently go into a universe of genuine hyperconnectivity. Symbol cryptographic money directed an eco in October 2017 in which a big part of exceptionally all-out ICX supply essentially was offered to general society. The complete stock made is 800,460,000 ICX, with 400,230,000 offered to the sort of open encircling. As to of the other half of all-out supply, the symbol side states, issuances of new ICX is not set in stone through yearly C-Rep meeting. ICX coin value forecast 2022. ICX, as the remainder of the market, is tied at the hip of Bitcoin's cost activity in an unpretentious manner. On the off chance that Bitcoin sets out on another bull run, ICX can expect 1-2. Bitcoin typically fundamentally has a cool-off stage after its super bull runs, and that especially is the point at which the altcoins generally dominate and have a field day with the bulls, frequently multiplying or significantly increasing their cost in no time. ICX value expectation 2022. Most of specialists concur that this truly bear market will endure basically for the main quarter of 2022 preceding. We see a few adjustment in little pattern inversions. Forecast model brings market opinion into a record and responds likewise in a significant manner. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022. 2022 October -17.88% $0. 2099, 2022 November -35.03% $0. 1660, 2022 December -33.97% $0. 1687, 2023 Jan in a significant manner. -31.67% $0. 1746, 2023 February -26.98% $0. 1866, 2023 Blemish, -27.00% $0. 1866, 2023 April -20.59% $0. 2029, 2023 May, -23.57% $0. 1953, 2023 June -19.50% $0. 2057, 2023 July -16.59% $0. 2132, 2023 August, in spite of mainstream thinking, -7.61% $0. 2361, 2023 September, or so they thought, -9.10% $0.2323. Most of ventures will fall flat. A few new companies are made just to assemble reserves and vanish. Some wouldn't generally deal with the opposition, however most fundamentally are simply thoughts that look great on paper, yet truly, are futile for the market. Accordingly, more than 95% of fruitful ecos and digital currency ventures will fizzle and their financial backers will in a real sense lose cash. The other 5% of tasks will turn into the new Apple, Google or Alibaba in a crypto industry. Will ICX be among those 5%? It is more than conceivable, or so they especially thought. ICX did truly fabricate a very strong environment, and the group is pushing all the while on the two fronts, tech and business side, in a significant way. Between the numerous organizations, a portion of the very significant ones include organizations with Wari Bank and Nanup Bank, two of the biggest banks in South Korea, with the bigger medical services blockchain consortium in South Korea, Associations with the bigger protection consortium in South Korea upheld by the Service of Science, organizations with Samsung, association with day-to-day monetary gathering and so forth. There especially is likewise the advantage of coming from South Korea. One of the significant advantages for Symbol is that it in every practical sense, is the greatest blockchain project coming from a very educated South Korea. It's a country speedy to embrace innovative change, or so they thought. You could presumably stick this to Korea's extraordinary monetary improvement in the last 50% of the 20th 100 years, when it especially was changed from a ruined country in the fallout of the Korean conflict into a rich country with the 12th fundamentally the biggest economy on the planet. As really detailed by Quartz, over 30% of workers inside South Korea have possessed digital money sooner or later. The Symbol blockchain project was begun by exceptionally Korean fintech startup Hatchery Daily Monetary Gathering, which additionally possesses CoinOn, one of the country's biggest crypto trades, or so they thought. While there by and large are many contending projects hoping to interface different ventures in certainly open areas in different nations, Symbol has secured itself as the main genuine competitor to overwhelm blockchain advancement in South Korea. All of this summarized and generally transformed into a substantial number by our determining model gave us an ICX cost in 2025 at $0.3910. What will ICX in every way that really matters, be worth in 5 years? The cost of ICX in 5 years could lie around $0.3554. What Symbol will be worth in 2030? Our estimating model sees Symbol coming to $0.9775 in 2030, which by and large is genuinely critical. What Symbol will be worth in 2040, which certainly is genuinely huge. Our determining model sees Symbol coming to $1.96 in 2040. Will Symbol supplant/outperform/overwhelm Bitcoin? No, Symbol won't supplant or overwhelm BTC. Might Symbol at any point especially reach $10? Indeed, it is conceivable that Symbol can reach $10, however just in a removed future, after 2030. Might Symbol at any point reach $100? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Symbol to reach $100 in the short or midterm period. Is Symbol certainly worth purchasing, which is genuinely huge? We are promoters of decently dangerous financial planning. Contribute the greater part of your crypto portfolio in BTC, half, 35% in a crate of large cap coins and the rest in little ventures with tremendous potential gain. Along these lines, in this specific circumstance, Symbol merits purchasing.